Bird and Kip, Episode 19, A Bunch of Sticks. Bird was reading a book in her nest. Kip came up the tree. He was carrying a bunch of sticks.
Good morning, Bird,
Said Kip.
Good morning, Kip.
Said Bird. Kip went back down the tree. Then he came up the tree again. He was carrying more sticks. Said Bird.
I wonder what Kip is doing.
Bird went back to reading her book. Crash!
Ouch!
Cried Bird.
Please be careful, Kip. Sorry about that,
Said Kip. Bird flew up to Kip's branch.
What are you doing?
Asked Bird.
I'm collecting sticks,
Said Kip.
Why do you need sticks?
Asked Bird.
I'm building something.
Said Kip.
I need a lot of sticks for it. What are you building?
Asked Bird.
A nest.
Said Kip.
I'm building a nest for myself.